Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact the SoFi Customer Support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see in the bottom side of the screen, we have the Discover, we have the Watch List, we have the Account, the Invest, we have the Orders, and in the bottom right corner, we have the Social. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the SoFi Customer Support. So, you can contact the SoFi Customer Support through several methods. So you can do it by going to the phone. So call the SoFi at 1-855-456-7634 or a total free number, which is 1-844-763-4466. You can email the email address, of course, your/benefits@sofi.com. Of course, you can go to the application where we are at the moment and go, of course, and talk to them here. So you can click on the top left corner, go down here, and here you have the support and contact us buttons here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.